Okay, boys and girls, so just a quick video just to help remind you how we check into Clever and our handwriting program, because we've only done that one time. So you can see I've gone on to Clever, which remember is just the big C on your iPad. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to use our badge login, which you have your QR code on your folders. It's also on your math journal. So we're going to go ahead and click on that login. And you can see me. Hi, guys. Here's the QR code. I'm actually going to borrow Allie's. So you should get onto a page like this. And when you're on this page up here at the top, you should see your name. So make sure you're under your account. A couple things that you can do while you're on here for today is you could go on here and tell me what you're thankful for. So you can click on that and tell me what you're thankful for. I would love to hear that. But your assignment today is actually going to be the handwriting. Now, if you remember, our handwriting one is the one with the bunny. Okay, so we're going to go on to this bunny one. And you'll see in this toolbox here, there's my tools, messages, and assignments. And you'll see that there are 2 assignments that are created. So you would click on assignments.
Watch the video.
And you're going to watch this video, okay? Let's go ahead and watch it together for one time.
Starting corner capitals. Capital L. Smiley face helps you get started. Here we go! Cool! Start in the starting corner. Big line down, little line across the bottom. It's my lucky day!
Okay, and so boys and girls, you'll notice the one thing is we can't go on until we've done that. Now, while I'm watching the video, I like to make the letter with my finger. But now down here, I know it's hard to see. It's kind of cut off. Sorry about that. But there's a green arrow on the bottom. So I'm going to click on that to go to the next.
You did it.
Okay.
Watch the video.
So then there's my next video. And you're going to keep on going until you get to the end. And it's going to tell you what to do. Okay. So I'd watch the H, make the letters. So you're going to complete those assignments. When you are done with that, you are actually going to go back out and you're going to go into your Seesaw and you're going to see that you have an assignment on there. And what this assignment says is it says, log on to Clever and complete the handwriting assignment. On a piece of paper, draw 2 letters that you practiced on the assignment. Then you'll come back to Seesaw and click Add Response. And then you're going to use a camera to take a picture of your work. So you would go find a piece of paper and a pencil that you have at your house, and you're going to practice 2 of the letters that we practiced on the handwriting. Okay, boys and girls, so I went ahead and got my piece of paper and I've written mine, so I'm ready to add my response on here. And so you'll want to go to the photo this time. And the trick for you guys is going to be to get it so that Miss Boucher can read all of it. Now, these aren't the letters that were in the video. I wanted to do some different letters to make sure you went in there, but I practiced my B's. You can see that I have my 2 lines here, and I made sure I went upstairs. And so when you take your picture, you're going to really hold it still and frame your whole picture in. And you're going to click the camera. Okay. Now, with your iPad, it's going to be a little bit easier. You can actually, you'll be able to center it a little bit better without having to be in it. I'm on my computer. One thing I did want to show you, I'm going to delete this and try it again. So if you have that happen where it's not a good picture and you need to retake it, I'm going to show you how it looks sideways here. So I'm going to go like this. So I'm going to try to get the whole thing kind of in there. So if you end up sideways, You can, after you take the picture, boys and girls, you can turn it if that's what you're needing to do. Okay? So you'll take your picture, making sure I can see all of your writing, and then you'll go ahead and click the check mark to upload your work. So remember, go to Clever first, Handwriting Without Tears, do those activities that are assigned on there, and then come back to Seesaw.